You might want to get a pen and paper for this because I'm about to break things down for you. Earlier, I talked about building a 6-figure coaching business even with no huge following, and someone asked me, will it be the same if I'm in the fitness industry and solve their problems? Basically, he's asking if he can still build a 6-figure coaching business in the health and fitness niche without a huge following. My answer is absolutely 100% yes. In fact, this strategy can work for coaches and experts in the wealth, health, and relationship industries. But let me break it down for you and give you 3 tips on how to solve your problems for your ideal clients in the health industry. And I'll also talk about how to price your offers and give you the math on how to hit 6 figures in a year. Again, you don't need a massive following to succeed. What you need is to solve real problems for your ideal clients and position your offer as the expert in your niche. Here's how you can do it step by step. Step 1 is about solving a common problem. You help beginners who feel overwhelmed, right? Because many people want to start their fitness journey, but they don't know where to begin. You can offer a 7-day beginner fitness plan for $47. This low-cost entry-level product can help them get started and also help you build trust as their coach. Number 2, focus on accountability and consistency. Most people quit because they lack the support and the guidance. And trust me, this happens more often than you can imagine. So what I recommend is to create a group coaching program with weekly check-ins and feedback. You can price it at $197 per month and aim to sign up at least 10 clients a month. That's $1,970 a month. It's $23,640 a year, just from one program with only 120 members at $197 a month. Now, the more members you have, the more you're going to make money. Imagine if you have multiple group coaching programs throughout the year, you'll make more. You're going to make more money, right? And here's the last thing. You can create a custom solutions for specific goals. And actually, this is one of my favorite ones because it helped me scale my coaching business faster. Step 3 is about offering high-ticket personalized coaching for your clients. For example, if someone wants to lose weight for a wedding or build muscle for a competition, you can create a 12-week customized plan for 3 months, right? And you can price it at $2,000 or more. And all you have to do is sign up 2 clients a month, and that's $48,000 a year. Again, if you're able to create a program and offer a high-touch support, I recommend you do that as well because this is where I've been able to charge $10,000, $15,000 or more to work with me, depending on what my clients' needs are. Okay, so next we're going to talk about how to hit 6 figures in a year with these offers I've mentioned. And I hope you've been writing things down from the beginning. If not, get ready right now. Here's the math. If you sell 50 fitness plans for $47, that equals to $2,350 a month, or $28,200 a year. Write that down. If you enroll 10 clients in your group coaching program for $197 a month, that's $23,640 a year. And if you sign up 24 clients in your $2,000 coaching program, the personalized coaching program, that's two clients a month, that's $48,000 a year. And that is $99,840, right? You're close to 6 figures right there. Now, if we add the upsells like workbooks and recipes and online courses, mini programs, online workshops, now you're making 6 figures, okay? So just imagine that. It's totally doable and possible. You just have to be strategic and you need to know your numbers. The key is to focus on solving problems, pricing your offers, and also staying consistent. You don't need 1 million followers, okay, who are not your ideal buyers. You just need to connect with the right people and deliver results for them. If you're a new coach in the health, wealth, and relationship industry and ready to grow your coaching business and also learn how to price your offer and then how to learn how to hit 6 figures, join my community right now. I share exclusive resources to help you build your coaching business, and it's free right now, but soon I'll be charging access to that community. Even if you're watching this later and there's a fee to join the community, it's still worth it. The value that you're going to get is incredible, right? Because you're going to get free gifts like templates, resources, and so much more that are much more affordable than hiring me one-to-one. Now, don't forget to save this video, share it with your audience, and comment "I'm in" if you're ready to start building your 6-figure coaching business today. Thanks, and see you next time.